So, your opinions on this experience? Would you call it a heavy aircraft, do you think? Are you tiring yet?
It's even on. Come on, push. Come on. Oh. We'll never get it jump started like that. Rocky music.
Have you done 100 yards yet?
That's your fault.
Come on, put your backs into it, lads. Your butt's strolling on this side.
Right there.
Definitely slowing down.
Yeah, come on, we can't slow down.
Come on, turn into a jog just for the end.
We're over halfway. Let's keep going.
Another 10 yards and it starts going downhill.
Maybe it might have been a good idea.
Come on.